What's up guys, Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before I get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So this video is way long overdue. This is a video on the Kobe 6 Proto Grinches. These came out on Christmas Day of 2020, so about a month ago. I managed to pick them up, unfortunately not on sneakers, not on like Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, or anything like that, but I picked them up for resale for a pretty decent price. I picked them up for 300 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. Made sure to get them legit checked, you know, they're definitely good to go, and for 300 bucks, I figured it wasn't too bad. I picked up a size 8.5, and I saw like basically market for them was like 350 or 340 to 360 around that price range. So for a DS pair for 300, I wasn't really complaining. So if I wanted to sell them back, I could, you know, I could definitely wear them a couple of times, make my money back. And you know, that's always the main goal when it comes to buying shoes, right? Just being able to recycle your shoes, sell them, buy more, sell them, buy more. And just to talk about the shoes a little bit, I honestly can't believe that I actually own a pair of Kobe 6 Grinches. Like, I know they're mass produced now, and you know, a lot of people have them, but you know, back when Nike basketball was at its peak, like 2013 to 2014, 2015, Kobe 6 Grinches were probably one of my grails. Those like South Beach LeBron 8s, the Kobe 7 Galaxies, the Kobe 7 Cheetahs. There was just so many shoes at the time, you know. There was a bunch of crazy fire colorways, so it's nice to see Nike finally bring them back for the people to enjoy them. So getting right into the review, starting with the shoebox. Come in your typical black Nike shoebox, at least that came out for all the Kobes this year. You have your Mamba logo up top and your Kobe signature right below it. Tag reads Kobe 6 Proto. Colors are green, apple, black, full, and crimson, and these are a size 8.5. And I'll say, if you guys are thinking about picking up any of the Kobe 6 models, and honestly any of the Kobe 7 models as well, I would go one full size up. You know, they do tend to fit pretty narrow. Like, I normally wear an 8 to 8.5, but preferably I wear an 8, and these 8.5s are way too small on me. You know, maybe if you have super narrow fit, I would go maybe just half a size up. And then suggested retail on these is 180, but like I said, I paid 300 in total for these shoes. Comes with a pair of red laces, but I swapped it out. They originally come laced with the Volt laces, but I swapped it out for the red laces. And then finally, here are the shoes. Super crazy, like I said, to have these in hand. I honestly thought I would never own a pair of Kobe 6 Grinches, but starting with the outsole of the shoe, you have a translucent green. On the bottom, you have your red Mamba logo, and of course you have your carbon fiber shank plate, you know, just kind of gives yourself some more reinforcement. And then going up, you have different variants of green. You have your green midsole using that Nike Zoom technology. You know, so Nike has definitely advanced like their technology that they use for their basketball shoes. Nonetheless, these Kobe 6s aren't too bad. You know, at least for everyday wear, I could probably wear these for 6 to 8 hours of the day, and they don't feel too bad at all. Like, they feel pretty comfy on my feet. You know, the only thing is that fact that they are a little bit small, so they do fit a little bit snug, making it a little bit tad uncomfortable. But then moving up, you know, you have your Kobe signature in the back in red, and you know, this part, it's kind of like made out of this plastic material. And then moving on to the forefoot of the shoe, you have that classic signature reptile print that's known on the Kobe 6s. You have your black swooshes on both sides of the shoe. And then moving on to the tongue, you have a Volt tongue that goes all the way up, and then you have your red Mamba logo right there. And of course, like I said, I switched out the Volt laces for red laces. Personally, in my opinion, I do think the Volt laces do look pretty good, but the red laces, I don't know, there's just something about those red laces that really pop. And you know, and even though these are a Christmas shoe, I mean, this is a shoe you can honestly wear throughout the whole year, and honestly would be pretty perfect for the summertime just because how colorful they are. So I mean, really simple shoe. You know, like I said, this video is long overdue, so you guys have probably seen a bunch of videos on them, but I definitely wanted to give you guys my take on the shoes, my appreciation for the shoes, and just go give you guys my thoughts and opinion on the Kobe 6 Grinches. So now I'm going to show you guys an on-foot look of the shoes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I hope you guys enjoyed the on foot. I mean, like I said, this video is nothing special. You know, like these shoes came out, everyone wanted them, or at least a lot of people wanted them either to resell or for personal. Beautiful shoe in hand. If it's a shoe that you've always wanted, Nike did these proper. They look super good. I feel like they look pretty close to the OG pair. You know, that green might look a little bit more vibrant, but I think that's only because like they're newer. The older pair has started the yellow and things like that. So that's gonna wrap up the review for the Kobe 6 Grinches. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys managed to pick up a pair. You know, if you guys thought they were worth paying resale or not, or if you guys think 300 is a good price for them. One of my girls, super fire shoe, and super happy to have them in hand. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.